In the meantime, the government is once again insisting there's no double standard in its approach to managing the COVID-19 pandemic. Local government Minister Desmond McKenzie says he will be the first to apologize if people feel mistreated, but argues that there's no such directive from the administration.
This government, we are not in any shape or form displaying any preferential treatment to any sector of the society when it comes on to enforcing the regulations under the Disaster Risk Act. We're not. I will challenge anybody to say that there is any directive at all coming from the administration as to how to treat a sector of the society. One shoes fit everybody in this country. If people feel offended or hurt by that, I will be the first to apologize and to say that this administration has never, will never support any actions that will penalize one sector of the society in preference over one.
To the latest COVID-19 figures now, Jamaica recorded 20 new confirmed cases of the coronavirus on Monday. This pushes the country's tally of confirmed cases to 12,752. St. James and Trelawney recorded 8 cases each on Monday. The other 4 were in Westmoreland. The local death toll remains at 298. 26 deaths are still under investigation. 78 persons are hospitalized with the respiratory illness. 8 are critically ill.